Yeah, hello students, very good morning. Today we are going to learn the next practical of 11th standard physics, that is to measure diameter of a given wire using screw gauge. As you can see that this is experiment number 2A in your handbook. The apparatus has been shown over here, that the micrometer screw gauge. See, this is what the micrometer screw gauge, which is used to measure the thickness of the wire. Then we require certain wire. You can check it out. This is what the wire of which we are measuring the thickness. Next we require half meter scale, as we are normally having the scale, and also we require the magnifying glass or magnifying lens to just observe these readings, which are very small. Now what is the actual aim of this practical? That is to measure the diameter of a given wire by using the micrometer screw gauge, and as well as by using the diameter we can measure the volume of the given wire if we know the length. You can check it out. D is a mean diameter and L be the mean length of the wire, so we can measure the volume by using this formula. You must have heard this or read this formula before. It's a general formula which we are always using. It's a volume of cylinder. This has been shown the schematic diagram for micrometer screw gauge. You have to draw this diagram in the exam. You have to write down the procedure of this in your journal. Observation, you can check it out what is the observation, and these observations we are writing as it is has been printed over here. The least count, if you check it out, the least count, that is what the total number of divisions on circular scale is 100. You can check in your micrometer screw gauge. There are so many divisions. Let me focus on it properly. Now you can see clearly that the numbers are on circular scale is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 92, 0, again 10, that means total 100 readings are there, 100 lines are there. You can check it out how many smaller lines are there. That is our number of divisions on circular scale. Now what is the value of smallest division on main scale? That is of what? 1 mm. 1 mm is what? The smallest division on main scale. As you can check, this is what the main scale. This is what the main scale. Okay, in which you can check 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there. So this is what 5 mm, then this is 10 mm and so on. So this number indicates mm. So one line indicates 1 mm. Simple it is, right? 1 mm. One line indicates what? 1 mm. And it has been written clearly that there are 25 lines, okay, of 1 mm. Okay, if you open it fully, okay, then you will find that there are 25 lines on the main scale. So remember that this is what the main scale, as you can check over here, right? This is main scale and this is circular scale. Main scale and circular scale. Now you can check that if you close this circular scale completely, you can check that, okay, it has been already touched over here. This micrometer screw gauge is touched over here. But if you try to find the error of this one, this is 0 error. It has been shown that this 0 is exactly coinciding with the horizontal line of main scale. So it indicates what? It's a 0 error. Therefore in this we have to write what? The 0 error. This is of what? 0. Same we have to write over here also, that this is of 0. Same we have to write over here, 0, 0. Mean error will be 0 and a mean error correction is also 0. So remember that the value of E or C is 0.